Babies don't care about species, they just see a potential best friend everywhere.
Okay, get down.
She wouldn't sit still for dinner, but she'll freeze for a hummingbird.
She wants to play with you, though.
He's trying to get a pie.
He's trying to get your food.
Oh.
Babe, does that...
Dolphins are naturally curious. Kids usually are too. That's why moments like this happen.
She's backing away. Like, safely evacuate away.
Kids don't make friends based on species, they make friends based on who wants to play.
Prvi put u životu smo posjetili privatni zoološki vrt, a ovaj se nalazi na možda 50 minuta udalje.
Apparently, leadership isn't about age. Have you ever seen such a tiny leader with this much charisma?
Pet him?
Yeah.
You can pet his nose.
Porcupines are not pets, they're spiky Wi-Fi signals that never disconnect.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Now go. Now roll over. Roll over. Yes, good
What is
boy.
going on?
Good job.
Oh my god.
Hi, Dodo. Hi.
Turn around.
Oh, he heard you. Here he goes. He heard you. He heard you.
Hey, buddy.
She's still little herself, but somehow already knows how to care for someone even smaller.
Baixa, baixa, mamadeira. Baixa.
Dá a boquinha dela.
Nice. Is he chewing your hair? Don't let him do that. Don't let him do that. Hey.
Something about little kids seems impossible for animals to ignore. Congratulations! That boy's been promoted to mother duck. This is what happens when humans are accidentally too trustworthy. Two fruit lovers, zero competition. That bear has no idea it's starring in someone's favorite lunchtime movie.
It looks like it's attacking him.
She's eating your dress, Cora. She's eating your dress.
Yeah.
Bro understood the assignment. Stay calm and let curiosity happen.
You want to hold it?
I think it's dead. Oh, no, it's not. It was just pretending. Where did you catch it?
On it.
You just caught it on the... Did Spivey catch it or did you?
Baby had to make sure the digging met the pig's professional standards.
Olivia.
Kind hearts always seem to find each other. They met once and immediately skipped to the best friends chapter.
I'm up here looking at these things. Maybe you give them some bread. Then they want bread.
Proven fact: personal space was never part of this friendship agreement.
Bella.
Friendship has absolutely no logical explanation, and that's why it's perfect. Thanks for watching.